Hello, everyone. Welcome to the next installment in Expats in Mexico series. A lot of you guys have been asking about what it's like to live in Mexico, cost of living, what's the quality of life. So we're going to be answering questions today about health, right? Like, how does health work here? What is the cost of health here? And we are going to be doing it while walking to our new gym because we have not been working out since I landed in Mexico, and that is unacceptable. All right, so for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Amanda Abella, and this is... Say hi.
Hi, I'm Justin.
That's Justin. We both have been digital marketers for collectively like 25 years between the two of us. We work with clients on their sales and their marketing and their systems, and we are currently living in Guadalajara, Mexico. A lot of you are interested in running businesses that you can do from anywhere in the world. So if that's something that you're interested in, we have free resources and classes in the description and the first comment. Okay, so one of the reasons that people are moving to Mexico is because of cost of living. Now, we're in Guadalajara, so the numbers that I'm going to be talking about may vary depending on whether you're in Mexico City or Playa del Carmen or Puerto Vallarta or little beach towns. It all varies depending on where you are. But if you're interested in more expat adventures in running online businesses you can run from anywhere in the world, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so let's start talking health. I guess we should start with food, huh?
Yeah.
And groceries. Okay, so first of all, food in Mexico tastes like real food. It does not taste like a lot of the processed garbage we have in the United States. I've been learning about the groceries. I've been the one doing the lists and the shopping the last couple weeks, so I have a little bit of data to share. And that data is that I have not spent more than $40 USD a week on groceries for me and Justin, and that is ordering from Chedraui. That's how you say it. Chedraui, which is basically like Mexican Whole Foods. That's how I would call it. So there's that. Then there's stuff like actual healthcare. Healthcare, I would say, is probably like a third of the price here than it is in the US. And the quality is way better and the value is way better. I am not sure how health insurance works. Would you like to speak on health insurance? How does health insurance work in Mexico?
So they definitely have health insurance here, and it's significantly it's a lot cheaper than in the States. Like here for very, very good major medical, I pay maybe $1,200 a year, and that's without, any subsidies or anything funny like that. And that includes coverage for pretty much everything, with a $500 deductible or something ridiculous like that. And that's only really like for major stuff, like if something happens, you get into some kind of accident, whatever. But any kind of like office visits and things like that, typically those cost so little that people just pay those out of pocket, because you might go to a specialist and only pay $30, $40 or even less, depending on the kind of doctor that it is.
Yeah, so to give you an idea, I've been paying out of pocket for like eye doctor, feminine things like that, and it's been like a third of the price of the US. And then if you get sick, like I got sick 3 times the first month I was here from the food. They say my tummy's gonna get used to it. Basically, you go to the pharmacy, you pay like $3 to see a doctor at the pharmacy, and that $3 USD, not pesos. And then basically they write you a prescription for what you need.
$3.
Yeah.
Maybe 4 American.
3, maybe 4 USD American dollars at the pharmacy. If it's something like, I got food poisoning, or the food I ate last night made me sick. So we just got to our gym, so we're going to take a pause, and then I will try and film as much as I can and possibly give a tour, and then I'll tell you how much that costs. All right, so we have just entered the gym. This is 5 minutes from where we live because convenience. This is the downstairs, which has boxing and also mixed martial arts. The boxing is included with the gym membership. Mixed martial arts is separate, but They even have like a ring. They have 2 rings. They have a mixed martial arts ring and then more traditional boxing. And then you can just come in here and hit bags. Okay, so the gym is massive. It's like 4 floors, and they told me there's like over 200 pieces of equipment. So behind me, there's a CrossFit section. They don't have CrossFit classes, but you can go practice. And then I'm currently in this section. This is for lower body. Then upper body is over there. Abs has its own section. And then they have like trainer things that can help you with the machines and just kind of spot you or help you on the spot. Personal trainers with separate. So as soon as I have the pricing for that, I will do an update and let you guys know, because y'all are gonna freak when you find out how much this is costing us and also how we got a discount. All right, so I'm now going upstairs, which is the cardio section. They have bikes, they have ellipticals, they have rowing machines. Are those rowing machines? Yeah, I think those are rowing machines. All kinds of stuff up here. And they also have like a stretching area, which I'll show you. And they also have a studio for yoga and spinning, which is where you will be seeing my abs twice a week, at least. All right, so I actually have to work out now, so I have to let you guys go. But I wanted to give you pricing. So this entire gym, it's 4 floors, over 200 pieces of equipment. There's trainers who can like help you out with the machines for people like me who are clueless about how to use machines. It includes boxing, yoga, and cycling whenever they have classes. There's a pool, there are saunas, they are not currently in use because they're going to be renovating, and they're going to be adding basketball courts and tennis courts. I don't know if the price will be increasing with the basketball and the tennis courts. It might, so this pricing may vary once that stuff gets added in. Also, it's Mexico, so they might tell you, oh yeah, that'll be in like the next year, but it doesn't actually happen in the next year. So keep that in mind as well. But for this gym, if you were to do the conversion at this current time, the Mexican peso is getting stronger, but I mean, it's still like the dollar just still goes really far, even with the peso getting a little bit stronger. There's some really interesting theories as to why that's happening, but those are videos for another time. But it comes out to about 45 USD a month, and it's no contract. And then we actually got student discounts because we're currently taking a holistic healing class. So we got student discounts, so it's actually coming out to about 35 USD a month. So just add all that stuff up, y'all. And I haven't even gotten into massages, nails, and hair, and all that stuff. That's gonna be another video. So make sure to subscribe, because like your jaw will drop to the ground when you hear the price points of treatments here in Mexico. Bye, everybody.